All right, now I figured it out. It only took me 15 minutes.
A little bit longer than that, Mrs. Roper.
Okay, Helen, stop being snotty. Let's go find Stanley.
Let's go. Oh, Stanley. Oh. Oh.
What the heck? That's so funny.
It is.
I don't know, Carol. This might be a really, really long video. We're walking really slow.
My feet are already hurting. And I think I'm going to lose my house coat with the wind. Hold on. Oh.
Hang on. You can't walk ahead of me now. And look, and that's all over the place. Oh.
Oh.